Today, we're going to learn about the Moodle course page. Once you are logged into your course, look on the left-hand side of the front page. You'll see the My Courses block, which includes a list of all the courses you are teaching or taking as a student. You can access your courses by clicking on the course name in the block. Now, let's start at the upper left corner of the course page. Below the course name is a navigation bar that fills with the hyperlinked names of pages as you navigate from one page to another. Frequently, the best way to return to your course page is to click on the course short name in the navigation bar. Below the navigation bar are three columns. The far left and far right columns contain tool blocks, while the center column contains your course content and activities. The topmost tool block on the left is the People block. From here, you and your students can view the individual profiles of other participants in the course and check who is a member of student work groups. Beneath the People block is the Activities block. As you add forums, quizzes, assignments, and other activities to your course, the activity types will be listed here. By clicking on the activity type, students can view all activities of that type that are currently available to them. For example, if you gave a quiz every week, each content section would list a quiz. And if you clicked the Quizzes link in the Activities block, it would list all of the quizzes in the course. The Administration block contains many useful links which will be covered in greater depth in other tutorials. The far right column includes blocks that report on activity in the course. The Latest News block lists the latest items added to the news forum, such as important news stories that pertain to the subject you're teaching. The Moodle calendar displays events on several levels. The site-level events are created by administrators and are viewable in all courses. The course-level events are either created by teachers or are a result of setting closing dates for activities such as assignments and quizzes or repeating chat sessions. Course events are only viewable by course participants. Group events are created by teachers and are only viewable by members of a group. User events are personal events that a user can create and are only viewable by the user. The Upcoming Events block lists events you've created in the calendar, such as exams and holidays, together with assignment and quiz deadlines. At the bottom of the block are links to view the calendar and add new events. Next, we'll look at the editing mode. To start the process, you'll first need to turn editing on, which will allow you to add resources and activities to your course. At the top right of the page of any course you are teaching, you'll see a button labeled Turn Editing On. Clicking on this button will present you with a new set of icons. The eye icon will show or hide an item. If you want to keep an item in your course, but you don't want your students to see it, you can use this to hide it from them. The X icon will delete an item, removes the item or block from your course. Resources and activities will be permanently removed. Blocks can be added again using the Blocks menu. The up and down icon will move an item. Clicking this will allow you to move an item to another section in the middle column. With the left and right arrows, you can move blocks to the left or right-hand columns. You can also use this to indent items in the middle column. The up and down arrows move items up or down in their respective columns. Finally, we'll cover Moodle's help system and documentation. Throughout Moodle, you will see a question mark. This is a link to Moodle's very extensive help system. The community has worked hard to provide you with a help system that is tied to what you are doing at that moment. When you click the question mark icon, a new window pops up with the help file for the item you are asking about. After you read the help file, you can close the window with the Close this window button, or look at other help files by clicking on the Index of All Help Files link. You can then select any help file from anywhere in the system. In addition to the help system, you'll find a Moodle Docs for this page link at the bottom of each page. Clicking this link will take you to the corresponding page on Moodle Docs. Moodle Docs is the documentation for Moodle written by the Moodle community.